this problem is mixture problem. In a mixture, what is the mixture? Mixture is two liquids are combined. Here, in this mixture, in this problem, the mixture is milk plus water. Milk plus water. Okay. Okay, what is the ratio of milk and water? 9 is to, initially the ratio is 9 is to 1. Okay. And how much of water should be added? This ratio after water is added for this mixture. Initially ratio is there, after water is added, this ratio will become 3 is to 1. What we will find here? How much of water? How much of water is added? So the ratio of milk and water from 9 is to 1 to 3 is to 1. So first to calculate how many liters of mixture is there? 450 meters of milk and water. Total quantity of milk and water together is 450 liters in the ratio of 9 is to 1. So we will calculate, first we will calculate how much in 450 liters, how much milk is there and how much water is there. Okay. Next, and then add this water with this water and then calculate the ratio. Calculate the ratio. So here ratio is 3 is to 1. So how much of water is added to the initial water? So the ratio will become 3 is to 1. So we will go to the problem. So first of all, find how much water. Total mixture is water, mixture, milk and water. 450 liters is the mixture. So how much milk is there in the mixture? Out of 450, the ratio is 9 is to 1. 9 is to 1. So milk ratio is 9. 9 upon 10 into 450. We will get 405 liters of milk is there in 450 liters of mixture. In the same way, we will find what quantity of water is there in 450 liters of the mixture. Ratio is 1 upon 10. 1 upon 10 into 450 equal to 45 liters. So 45 liters of water is there in the mixture of 450 liters. So now we will some water is added. Some water is added. How much water is added? Okay. Now x liters of water is added. So suppose x liters of water is added. So the new quantity of water will become 45 plus x. What is the milk? Milk is 405 is the same. Now total mixture is 405 plus 45 plus x. Okay. So now the ratio becomes 3 is to 1. Ratio becomes 3 is to 1. After adding x liters of water, the ratio becomes 3 is to 1. Okay. Now the ratio. What is the milk? Milk is for the initial milk is does not change. Initial milk ratio is 405. Now water is added. Ratio changed. So milk upon water ratio is 3 is to 1. Okay. Solving this equation, we will get the x value. We will get the x value. X equal to 3x is equal to 270, x is equal to 90. So how much of water is added here? 90 liters of water is added to the 450 liters mixture. This 9 is to 1 ratio will become 3 is to 1. Okay. Okay, same type of problem. Here mixture quantity is 60 liters of mixture. In 60 liters of mixture, milk and water is there in the ratio of 2:1, plus again milk ratio does not change. Some water is added, okay. Milk does not change. This quantity does not change. Here some water is added. This ratio 2:1 ratio will reversed, that is 1:2. 1:2. So we will calculate how much of water is added. So the ratio 2:1 will become 1:2. So okay, first we will find how much of milk is there, how much of milk and water is there in 60 liters of the mixture. So what is the quantity of milk is there in a 60 liters of water is 40 liters is there. Total is 60. Ratio is 2:1. Milk ratio is 2/3 into 60 equal to 40. What about the quantity of water in 60 liter mixture is 1/3. Here, 1/3 into 60 equal to 3 1 ja 320. So 20 liters of the mixture, 20 liters of water is there in mixture. Okay. Next, how much of water is added? Suppose to let us assume X liters of water is added to the 60 liters of the mixture. Now ratio becomes 1:2. Milk does not change. Milk does not change. So X liters of water is added. So in the mixture, 20 plus X liters of water is there. Milk does not change. So the ratio of milk and water becomes 1:2. 1:2. Milk does not change. So 40. Water quantity is 20 plus X. Milk and new ratio is 1/2. So solving this one, 20 plus X equal to 80, X equal to 60. So 60 liters of water is added. 60 liters of water is added. Okay. If 60 liters of how much liter? 60 liters of water is added to this 60 liters of mixture, this milk and water ratio 2:1 now become 1:2. Okay, this is also similar problem in vessel. One vessel mixture quantity is 56 liters. In the mixture, milk and water is there. Milk and water is there in the ratio of 5:2. Okay. Now, some water is added. Water is added. How much water is added? We will find. The ratio become 4:5. Some water is added. The ratio become 5:2. Ratio is become 4:2. Milk quantity does not change. So first we will find in this 56 liters how much milk and how much water is there, and then find the how much water is added to this mixture. The ratio will become 5:2 to 4:5. Okay, let us move. So quantity of milk in 56 liters is 5/2 into 56 equal to 40 liters of milk is there in 56 liter mixture. How much of water is there? Water ratio is 2/5. So in 56 liters of mixture, 16 liters of water is there. So now let us assume X liters of water is added to the mixture. The ratio becomes 4:5. 16 X liters of water is added. So, water quantity is 16 plus X. Milk quantity does not change. Oh, but ratio will change because of some water is added. So, ratio become 4 is to 5. 4 is to 5. So, this is the 40 is the milk quantity, 16 plus X is the water quantity, ratio is 4 upon 5. So, solving this equation, we will get the 32 liters of the water. So, 32 liters of water is added to the 56 liters of the mixture. The ratio 5 is to 2 will become the 4 is to 5. So, this is also similar type of problem. Here mixture quantity is 30 liters. Ratio of milk and water is 7 is to 3. Mixture is 30 liters. Ratio is 7 is to 3. Some water is added. The ratio is reversed. Ratio is reversed. Reversed means 3 is to 7. So, similar type of the problem, 30 liters of mixture is there. In mixture, what are the liquids? Milk and water. Initial ratio is 7 is to 3. 7 is to 3. So, first to find the in 30 liters, how much of milk is there, how much of water is there. Next, the ratio will become 3 is to 7 if some water is added. Milk does not change. So, the ratio of milk and water, the new ratio is 3 is to 7 after adding the water. So, we will move the problem. So, 21 liters of the milk. 21 liters of the milk is there in 30 liters of the mixture. 7 upon 10 into 30. Ratio is 7 is to 3. So, 7 upon 10 into 30 equal to 21 liters. How much of water is there? Quantity of water in 30 liters of mixture is 9 liters. 3 upon 10 into 30 equal to 9 liters. Next, how much of water must be added? So, let us assume X liters of water is added. This previously contained water, the ratio of this 21 liters and this quantity, the ratio is reverse means 3 is to 7. So, the ratio of this one into this one is 3 is to 7. So, suppose X liters of water is added. The new quantity is 9 plus X. Milk quantity does not change. Milk quantity 21 liters does not change. So, new quantity of water is 9 plus X. The ratio become 9 is to, ratio becomes 3 is to 7. So, 21 upon 9 plus X is equal to 3 by X. For solving this ratio, we will get X equal to 40. X equal to 40. So, 40 liters of water is added to the mixture. The ratio 40 liters of water is added to the 30 liters of mixture. The ratio of milk and water 7 is to 3 will become 3 is to 7. 3 is to 7.